In the vibrant center of Knoxville, Tennessee is famous Market Square, where entertainment, shopping, and dining draw thousands. It's here you'll find a most excellent opportunity at 7 Market Square. With approximately 6,000 square feet of living and retail area, 7 Market Square is a total income-producing property on 2 levels. Originally built in 1920, it's been recently upgraded and now features state-of-the-art upgrades and attention to detail. The upper level is presently a terrific vacation rental, but you could easily make it your home. Just take in the great room beneath a lighted tray ceiling. A library built-in surrounds the fireplace. Next, your formal dining area. It's perfect for entertaining. Can you believe the majestic appeal, especially as you enter your chef's island kitchen? Every amenity you could want is here, from a plethora of cabinetry to the wine chiller, convection oven, and microwave, and this heavy-duty gas range. After dinner, relax with your guests on the large open patio overlooking Market Square. Your bedrooms are the epitome of style, with equally luxurious baths as well. And you're even well served by this elevator, which covers both levels in the rear of the home. You're also served by this ongoing rental generator, presently a candy shop franchise which encompasses the entire lower level. See 7 Market Square in Knoxville for yourself in a private tour and see the possibilities. Call Chandle Turbyville of Holrob Commercial Realty direct at 865-235-9956.